Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Law with AKP. In today's video, we are going to understand a very basic and important concept, what is law. I will explain this in a very simple way so even beginners can understand. Okay. Now, what is law? Law is a system of rules created and enforced by the government. In simple words, law means rules that everyone in society must follow. But why do we need law? Law is very important for three main reasons. The first one, it maintains order in society. Without law, there will be confusion and chaos. Second one, it protects our rights. For example, right to life, right to property. And third one, it provides justice. If someone does wrong, law helps to punish them. Let's take a simple example. Traffic rules, like stopping at a red signal. If there were no traffic laws, people would drive however they want and it would lead to accidents. So, law helps in maintaining discipline. Now, let's understand a famous case law. In case Swananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, the Supreme Court said that the constitution has a basic structure that cannot be changed. This case shows how law protects the fundamental structure of our country. So, law is not just rules, it protects the entire system of governance. So, to conclude, law is a system of rules that maintains order, protects rights, and ensures justice in society. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Learn Law with AKP. I will be uploading more simple law concepts regularly. Thank you.